So now I'm going to show you how to make use of this toothpaste, because it's not your regular toothpaste that comes. Hello everybody. Sort out toothpaste. This is the latest toothpaste in town. I'm so excited to talk about this toothpaste because I am using it and it is very, very effective. You can hear me. Yes, it is healing. It has healing power inside it. Tooth pain gone, mouth odor gone, bad breath gone, gum bleeding gone, mouth ulcer gone, any manner of pain that you're having inside this your mouth, this is capable of healing it. This will heal it for you. This is healing toothpaste. That is what I call it. The real name is Sort Out Toothpaste. I call it healing toothpaste because I've gotten healing from it. I have gotten healing from it, so that is why I call it healing toothpaste, but the actual name is Sort Out Toothpaste. So now I'm going to show you how to make use of this toothpaste, because it's not your regular toothpaste that comes in tube. This comes in container, and as you can see, it's thick. It's not liquid. There is one that is liquid, but this particular one is thick. Maybe in my next video I'm going to show you the one that comes in liquid. So this particular one that I'm talking about, how you can use it effectively, is that you are going to keep it upside down like this, and that is why I've been holding it like this. Actually, this is how it should be. Sort Out toothpaste. Can you see that? Can you see that? So how to use it? You are going to be keeping it upside down like this on your table or anywhere that is safe for you to keep. So, or anywhere that you normally put your toothpaste. And you know what? It is not going to occupy space for you. Just a little space like this is going to stay there. Can you see? It's going to stand for you. Then as well, you can put it inside a cup like this. You can put it inside a cup like this. Why will you put it upside down? So that this paste will always be at the mouth, so that you don't need to press harder or stress yourself trying to bring this paste out. So you're going to keep it upside down like this. So whenever you want to brush your teeth, all you have to do is just to open this, and then get your toothbrush and then press it inside. Press it inside. Can you see it? Like this size. Perfect. And you're going to brush your teeth like normal. But before that, make sure you put water on your toothpaste. You rinse your mouth with water so that your mouth will be wet, and your brush will be wet as well. And you begin to brush. And you're going to enjoy brushing your teeth like this. Let's go there. It's a healing toothpaste and it's very, very effective. So many reviews and feedbacks we have gotten about this toothpaste, and this toothpaste is very, very effective. So if you want to know the healing power of this toothpaste, I'm going to leave a video on this channel, so you can get the whole benefit you're going to get on this using this toothpaste. I and my family, we've been using this toothpaste for over 4 months now, and we are loving it. It is actually what it is, and it's very, very effective. Tooth pain gone, mouth odor gone, bad breath gone. Call them. Gum bleeding gone, mouth ulcer gone. Mention them. Many things gone, and we are happy with the toothpaste that we're using, and we are enjoying our mouths. Yes, we are enjoying our mouths. So now I've finished brushing my teeth. As you can see how sparkling my teeth is. And this toothpaste, what it's going to do for you is that it's going to polish your teeth. This is not just the normal toothpaste you used to know. This is tooth polish. It polishes your teeth and make it smooth and stronger. It protects your enamel from damaging. So anyone can use this toothpaste. Children, adults, old people can use this toothpaste. It's healthy. And remember one thing after brushing your teeth: don't rinse your mouth with water. It is not necessary. The ingredients in here is meant for healing of your teeth and to strengthen your teeth. So you're going to leave the little paste in your mouth to interact with your teeth so that your teeth can get the actual nutrients from this toothpaste. So do not be fast to rinse your teeth. It is actually healthy for your teeth. So this is how to use a toothpaste. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, ring the notification bell, then send this video to your family and friends, and to anyone that you see that is complaining about toothache, problem of the teeth. Many people, let me tell you, many people don't eat meat. Average people, like from 30 something years up, they tell you they can't eat meat. Once they eat meat, their teeth begin to pain them. If you see someone like that, please refer that person to this product. If you see someone like that, please refer that person to this product. And then if you're not having any problem with your teeth, it's very, very good for you, because they said prevention is better than cure. Hey, prevention is better than cure. I am talking out of experience. So toothache or tooth problem is not your mate. It's not your mate. So if you have not had any kind of problem with your teeth, please do not pray for that, because the pain can be unbearable. It can be painful, just like labor pain. So please, my lovely ones, always use this toothpaste to brush your teeth. Switch over to this toothpaste. You, your family members, your children can use this toothpaste. So please click the link in the description of this video to order for your own and enjoy healthy teeth and beautiful smile. Then regain your confidence back. I love you.